Hey, what's up, folks? This is Jesse with Keeping It Real Finance, channel that always has your back and tells it like it is. Today's video is by request and is all about Kyber Network and the KNC token. So if you haven't heard of Kyber Network yet, this is one that I haven't had too many requests on it, but very interesting project. It's used all over crypto. There are numerous projects that are using this one, and so it's a really neat thing to kind of get into and kind of tell you all the little ins and outs of it and how exactly you could be using it today. So there's lots of potential here with Kyber Network, and I think a lot of the projects in DeFi have seen what value they add, and it is significant, okay? So as always, we're gonna be getting into that today with a thorough review. I'll be telling you all about Kyber Network, what it is, how it's used, how you can use it, who the founders are, as well as some news. We'll talk about Let's Talk Token, and then we'll cap everything with a price prediction and some final thoughts. So if this is your first time to the channel, make sure to subscribe. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to absolutely smash the like button. That would be awesome. And if you click the bell, you'll be made aware whenever I post time-sensitive content just like this. And now, let's get it going. So what is the Kyber Network? Well, basically, it's a blockchain-based liquidity hub that powers token swaps. So that's pretty much it. Now, how it works is, as a liquidity hub, Kyber Network connects liquidity from retail LPs and token teams, professional market makers, LPs from external sources, and other new LPs for specific use cases to provide the best rates for takers, including decentralized applications, wallets, DEXs, aggregators, and users. Now, transactions are on-chain, making them fully transparent and verifiable. Now, the sales pitch to the developers is instant settlement, easy integration, on-chain for full transparency, liquidity aggregation guaranteeing the best rates, and the ability to customize your own spread. So, Kyber powers wallets and token swap services. Now, I personally have used it on Trust Wallet numerous times. It powers decentralized NFT and e-commerce payments. It powers exchanges and trading integrations, so including Uniswap, Curve, we've got SushiSwap, etc. And DeFi, obviously, Aave stands out here. So let's talk about the Kyber Dynamic Market Maker. So located at dmm.exchange/pound/about is Kyber Network's Dynamic Market Maker. Now, dmm.exchange is where you can connect a wallet. So you can either connect MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, we have Wallet Connect, or Ledger. I personally connected my Coinbase wallet, super easy to do. What's important to understand, though, is the amplified liquidity pools. So the way these work is that liquidity pool creators can set a pricing curve to amplify the pool in order to achieve much higher capital efficiency for providers and better slippage for users. Now, DMM also has dynamic fees, meaning they're adjusted to market conditions. So with higher volume, fees increase, this kind of sounds like Ethereum, right, to an optimal level, and with lower volume, fees decrease to encourage more trading. Now, they also have a short YouTube video called Kyber DMM Protocol, and I highly recommend you checking that out for some more info on exactly how this works, okay? So within DMM, we have swap pools and yield. And the most interesting thing, in my view, is yield, where users can stake their DMM liquidity provider tokens to earn rewards, as seen here in this screenshot for Rainmaker. So just look at the rates offered in the APY. Anywhere from 25 to nearly 205%. So, whoa, that's a lot. Now, they also have the Kyber DAO that allows token holders to take part in governance. So simply connect your wallet again. So I connected my Coinbase wallet and stake your KNC. By staking KNC, users receive rewards in Ethereum. All right. Now, just some of Kyber Network's partners are on the following list, as you can see here. And for news, look no further than the Kyber Twitter page at Kyber Network, where the recent news was Rainmaker going live as Kyber's first liquidity mining program, where 25 million will be distributed to liquidity providers for eligible pools on Ethereum and Polygon. All right, so I like that Polygon partnership. Now, for a little background here, Kyber Network was founded by Loy Liu, Victor Tran, and Yaron Vellner. Kyber Network is also headquartered in Singapore, okay? So, let's talk token. So, KNC is the native token of Kyber Network, and as of this recording, June 30th, 2021, KNC was ranked number 117 with a market cap of almost $350 million. With 205 million tokens in circulation, or roughly 91%, KNC is an ERC20 token, meaning that it is built on the Ethereum blockchain. By staking KNC, holders receive rewards from network fees, and they do conduct token burns, so the supply should be reduced even further over time. That's key, okay? Now, where you can buy KNC includes Binance, Coinbase, Huobi, and more. And I do have referral links in the video description for free money bonuses. So by all means, check those out. Get yourself some free money. When you do, you help support the channel. Thank you all around, right? Now, if we insert the chart here, KNC kicked off the year at 78 cents, meaning that as of today, it's done basically a 2.12x so far this year. Now, it's also down from its high earlier this year and has yet to pass its previous all-time high in 2018 that was roughly around 574 according to the chart. Now, if we insert the trading view chart now, KNC has had the death cross with both 20 and 50-day EMAs crossing through the 200-day moving average. We also had an outflow of money visible in the red wave on the market cipher. So now if we insert the zoomed out trading view chart here, KNC would finish the year between $1.45 and $4.85. I see it's falling somewhere between $3.50 and $6.50, basically a 2 to 4x on the coin alone. So where I more importantly see KNC though is with staking it in the Kyber DAO or through providing liquidity in Rainmaker. So for some final thoughts here, I think what Kyber Network is doing is pretty big, right? They're providing liquidity through these token swaps. Their partnerships that they have is immense. They've got tons and tons of different players in the DeFi space that they are partnered with, that they are doing this with. As I mentioned earlier, I've done it on Trust Wallet numerous times, swapping in and out. I've never actually used Kyber Network though, and I personally do not own KNC token. So this is one that kind of has my interest peaked a little bit, that I sort of want to get some and try it out here and see that DMM and what I can do with it, right? So I want to see about those staking rewards. For anybody who's watching this, if you're currently staking your KNC, what are the rates you're getting? Leave it in the comments. Love to hear that. I'd also like to know, if you're doing the liquidity and you're providing it in there, how that's turned out for you so far, if you're doing these pairs and what that's like. So I find it very interesting. It seems like a great project. It's been around for years. As I mentioned, that prior all-time high was in 2018. So it is on an upward trajectory, so that's a really good thing. And with the latest edition of Rainmaker, that could be huge for it. So all of the Twitter news is all centered around Rainmaker over the past couple weeks, if that tells you anything. All right? So like they say, follow the money. All right, so that's it for today's video on Kyber Network and the KNC token. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget that I'm also on Twitter at KIR Finance, where you can find me tweeting and retweeting on a regular basis. So check me out there. And for a friendly reminder, this is Jesse with Keeping It Real Finance, the channel that always has your back, tells it like it is. And I will see you on the next one. Later.